Hey everyone, I am here at the shipping container yard and I am about to get out the car and show you, I guess, some prices of some different shipping containers if you're possibly interested in buying a shipping container. So here we go. Okay, so now I'm kind of up close to shipping containers. The guy told me I could come and look, and he said the price is on the tag. So this one is $4,600. Says tax and delivery. It looks like they've painted them already. It's a 40-foot container. I don't believe it's high cube. The high cube I know have, I think, like a 9 foot inside. So let's see here. This one's already open and you can see how deep it is. Goes back pretty far. This one is not a new one. You can tell that for all the different scratches it has. But it doesn't have a price on it. Let's walk this way. He told me that the ones that were for sale would have price tags on them. It looks like these are shorter, so these are probably 20-foot containers. Now, I will tell you, I called about 2 months ago, and the same shipping containers you just saw that were 4,000 and something were like 2,900. So I guess everything is going up, including shipping containers, and I don't even understand why. Probably because so many people are wanting them now. So now the 20 feet shipping containers, or the 20-foot shipping containers, are the 2,900, because that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, the price tags have changed within a month or so. And these are not brand new shipping containers. I can kind of tell because you can see the dents and the scarring. So I imagine what a brand new 40-foot high cube container would cost now. They were costing, I think the gentleman told me, about $5,000 to $6,000. So probably add a couple of thousand on there. Yeah, these are only 20 feet. And they're just, I think, the regular like 8 feet. So maybe I can find another one, and maybe they're cheaper than the ones I'm looking at now. I do apologize. There's traffic in the back, so I'm going back to the car. We are going to look at some different stuff. So, well, not different stuff. We'll be looking at, maybe I can find another container yard. So I'll get back with you in just a moment.